Hi all mga sismores! Welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel, and for today's video and content, another camera review na naman tayo sa isang iPhone, but this time, doon muna tayo sa mga throwback series na iPhone noon. So check natin yung camera quality ng iPhone na to, kung marirecommend ko pa ba siya within this year. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go and check it! So, si iPhone 8 Plus was released way back on 2017 at meron itong display na 5.5 inches Retina IPS LCD display. Pagdating naman sa body build, si iPhone 8 Plus, front and back niya that is Corning made glass at ang kanyang frame is aluminum po. Pagdating naman sa IP resolution, si iPhone 8 Plus ay merong IP67, meaning dust and water resistant po ito. Sa chipset naman mga sismar, si iPhone 8 Plus ay merong Apple A11 Bionic na merong iOS 11 up until iOS 16.7. Pagdating naman sa camera, meron dual camera itong si 8 Plus at both camera niya is 12 megapixel. Sa main camera video recording resolution naman, meron itong 4K resolution na merong 60 FPS. Sa selfie camera ni 8 Plus, meron siyang single camera na 7 megapixel at sa video recording ng camera niya, ang resolution nito is 1080p na meron 30 FPS. So pagdating naman sa battery ni 8 Plus, meron itong 2691 mAh non-removable battery. And when it comes naman sa storage ng ating 8 Plus, meron itong 3 variants. And that is 64GB, 128GB, and also yung pinakamataas noon which is 256GB. Pagdating naman sa colors dito sa ating 8 Plus, meron po itong 4 variants which is gold, space gray, silver, and also red. Sa charging port naman ni iPhone 8 Plus, of course, since this is year 2017, ang kanyang charging port is USB Lightning. And also, pagdating naman sa security sensor ng ating 8 Plus, meron itong fingerprint scanner. At yun po ay sa kanyang Touch ID button. So that is our quick specification look pagdating sa ating 8 Plus. Let's go ahead and proceed checking the camera of this iPhone. Sa main camera niya, you can zoom in the photo up until 10. Yun yung zoom in niya. And then we also have here video. And for video, you can zoom in up until 3. Slow-mo, time-lapse, portrait, square, and also panorama. Pagdating naman sa upper feature, meron ka makikita dito flash, live on, and live off. Meron ka ding option dito to turn on the filter. So, yun yung filter ni iPhone. Ayan. Very classy. And then, hold on. Sa front-facing camera naman, as you can see, same lang din ang feature. So, sa front-facing camera, same lang din ang feature. Meron tayong photo, video, slow-mo, time-lapse, and also portrait, square, and panorama. So, same lang din. But sa square, sorry. Ayan. So, we also portrait, panorama. Pagdating sa video dito, makikita nyo, meron tayong option to sa main camera for 4K and 60 FPS. Sa front-facing naman, makikita nyo, wala tayong option sa video recording resolution. Pero 1080p with 30 FPS po ang resolution niyan. Okay? So, let's try to take some video using the 8 Plus. First, let's use the front-facing camera or the main camera of this phone. Video sample of iPhone 8 Plus currently using the main camera as you can see. Ayan. So, we can zoom in the video right here and then up until 3 times zoom in. Ayan. Pagdating sa zoom in nito, medyo old school kung paano ka mag-zoom in. I-click mo yung one time zoom in and then meron kang option na parang papunta sa right mo. Ayan. So that is my setup. Again, to adjust the brightness, if by any chance, just tap down or tap the screen and then makakakita ka dyan ng sun. And then you can just adjust the that brightness upwards or downwards. Ayan. As you can see, medyo okay naman si ating 8 Plus. Wala naman nakakitang problem. Let's try to zoom in dito naman banda. Okay. Alright. Alright, so yan yung ating video gamit ang ating main camera. So next naman, let's proceed using the front-facing camera of this iPhone 8 Plus. So video sample of iPhone 8 Plus, currently using the front-facing camera, and that is my setup right there. So you can see. Alright. Okay. So, next naman, let's try to capture some photo using this 8 Plus. So, let's try to use the main camera first. So, 1 time zoom in, 2 times zoom in, and then the 3 times or the 10 times zoom in. Sorry. Okay. So, let's try to capture also using portrait. Okay. Let's use this one. Let's use my Powerpuff little collection or my collection collectibles. Move far away daw eh. So let's try this one. Hold on. Okay. So next thing is let's try the square. So ito yung square. Lower lang natin yung volume. Ayan yung square. Binabaan ko lang yung brightness. Again, just tap this one and then drag mo pababa. Ayan. Didilim na yan. O, diba? Alright. So, next naman is selfie camera. Of course, using square. And then, let's try to use the photo. Okay. Let's turn off the flash kasi ano siya eh, naka-auto siya eh. Let's try with filter, vivid. Okay. So, here is our camera sample. Lower natin yung brightness. Hold on. I forgot already on how to lower the brightness. Ayun. So, yan. Look at that. Video sample of iPhone 8 Plus. Currently using the main camera as you can see. Ayan. So, we can zoom in the video right here. And then, up until 3 times zoom in. Ayan. Pagdating sa zoom in nito, medyo old school kung paano ka mag-zoom in. I-click mo yung 1 time zoom in and then meron kang option na, parang papunta sa right mo. Ayan. So that is my setup. Again, to adjust the brightness, if bayan siya, just tap down or tap the screen and then makakakita ka dyan ng sun. And then you can just adjust the that brightness upwards or downwards. Ayan. As you can see, medyo okay naman si ating 8 Plus. Wala naman nakakitang problem. Let's try to zoom in dito naman banda. Okay. Alright. So, video sample of iPhone 8 Plus, currently using the front-facing camera, and that is my setup right there. So, you can see. Alright. So that is the quality of 8 Plus using the camera. So let's proceed and now share you guys my own feedback and also thoughts about this phone. So first thing, wala naman akong problem dito sa 8 Plus, especially sa kanyang body build. One thing na nagustuhan ko talaga sa kanya is yung kanyang design. As you can see, way back on 2017, this look of phone is actually trending sa mga consumer or customer ni Apple. So, mabenta talaga yung ganitong aesthetic look ng Apple noon, as you can see. Ayan. So, glassy yan. So, pagkakaalam ko kasi mga sismars, kay iPhone 8 kasi nagsimula yung gloss talaga sa likod. So, si 8 talaga nagsimula, tapos kay 8 Plus. Kasi alam ko si 7, aluminum pa siya eh. Same with 7 Plus eh. So, 8 nagsimula ito, and then nag-skip sila, walang 9 of course, and then 10 or X, glass na yung likod nila. So, hanggang sa, so and so forth na. Sa 8 series talaga nagsimula, yung glass na display ni Apple. And that was actually good kasi naging patok at nagustuhan din ng mga customer yung naging design ng ating 8 Plus. And isa pa sa nagustuhan ko kay iPhone 8 Plus is yung kanyang Touch ID button. Though nagsimula talaga itong Touch ID button niya sa 7, sa series ng 7. Pero actually maganda siya kasi 'di ba dati nung 6S Plus, 6S, iPhone 6, yung button nito is talagang nape-press mo siya. But right now, haptic na lang siya. So, ganyan ito yung isa sa nagustuhan ko kay iPhone 8 Plus. And pagdating naman sa camera, 12 megapixel yung main camera niya. Both main camera kasi meron siyang dual camera, right? Pagdating naman sa camera, masismars, wala naman ako masabi. Maganda naman yung camera, maganda naman yung quality ng ating 8 Plus. And since gabi na at medyo madilim dito, makikita nyo dun sa video na medyo may noise. At understandable naman yon. Wala namang problem doon kasi pagdating naman sa labas, sobrang linaw naman ni 8 Plus pag maliwanag. Sa front-facing camera naman, 7 megapixel, medyo, alam niyo na, marami ding noise yung picture natin. Understandable po yung megapixel ni iPhone 8 Plus. Kasi noon, way back in 2017, that was actually fine. But right now, of course, since marami ng camera na medyo matataas na yung megapixel, if you're going to compare 8 Plus, if you're going to compare 8 Plus sa other camera ngayon na matataas ang megapixel, of course, mapag-iwanan talaga si 8 Plus. But right now, I'm just sharing you guys my own feedback na as of today, okay pa naman si 8 Plus. Magagamit mo pa rin siya when it comes sa camera. Though hindi siya ganun ka-stabilize o hindi siya, alam mo na, pag nagve-video ka, pag unting galaw mo lang, alog talaga siya. But of course, kung tatanong nyo kung mare-recommend ko ba siya, yes, mare-recommend ko siya. Pero pag meron naman kayong, alam nyo, no, ipon, I suggest instead of purchasing 8 Plus, go ahead and purchase X. O kaya iPhone 10, 11, XR, gano'n. Yung mga, alam nyo na, mas latest na iPhone right now. But, again, pwede nyo pa pong gamitin si 8 Plus. Pwede pa po kayo dito mag-video, pwede kayo mag-pictures, at pwede pa po kayo dito mag-social media. Hindi naman po ako naka-experience na anong lag. Actually, maganda naman talaga si 8 Plus eh. Wala talagang problem eh. Pero kung tatanungin nyo syempre ako sa camera, of course, mapag-iwanan talaga siya. Pero this 8 Plus is still recommendable naman within this year. So that's it mga sis-Mars. Yun lang yung aking feedback when it comes sa ating iPhone 8 Plus. Again, mabibili niyo po to sa ZMB XA04 kay Ate Annette. If you want to purchase a unit sa kanila, nasa description lang po natin yung kanilang Facebook page, okay? So, that's it mga sis-Mars. That's my own feedback. Again, I'm not a pro. When it comes sa reviewing ng mga tech, I'm just sharing you guys my own thoughts and feedback pagdating sa paggagamit ng ating iPhone 8 Plus. So, my name is Maring Ana. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, astories.ugc. See you ulit sa ating next na camera review. Bye!